Welcome to Operation Research. In this video, I will give you some basic tips not only to pass in Operation Research but how to score the maximum marks in Operation Research. OR is a very interesting subject, and if you pay a proper attention, you will not only easily pass this subject but you can score maximum marks and gain a very essential knowledge that will be helpful you in your professional career. So let us begin. Now this is the typical topic that are under Operation Research, and this list isn't quite a comprehensive. It covers the syllabus from almost all universities and almost from all the courses. Now there may be some unit which are not there in your syllabus, so obviously you can escape those. Now I have tried to divide the complete OR syllabus in three different sections. So one is easy section, second is medium difficulty level, and third one is which is little difficult. So but don't afraid of this, I will give you some tips for this also. So if you consider the LPP, the formulation of LPP is a quite easy part. Even a graphical solution to LPP is a quite easy part. Some part may be little difficult or often medium difficulty level is a dynamic programming, and you have to take little more efforts for this simplex method and the methods to solve these LPP problems like BGAM method, two-phase method, or degeneracy in LPP, sensitivity analysis in LPP, and unbounded solutions. These are the only things which are little difficult, but don't worry about that. You can concentrate more on this easy section and this medium section. Now inventory control is a very easy stuff you can start with. Replacement analysis, again a very easy stuff you can start with. Theory questions, like so many university papers have some theory questions and you can opt for those, but I will recommend that instead of theory questions focus on the numericals because they will guaranteedly give you a maximum marks. Theory questions may give you some average marks. Then queuing model, a very simple, you need to remember few formulas and you can score the out of marks. Sequencing model, a very easy thing to go for. Now the transportation problems, so they are quite an easy one and you can go for them. Now there are various problems, variety of problems are there and all of them are quite easy. Assignment problems, yes, you can go for. Decision theory, again it is very easy. PERT and CPM, so it will be more of an easy and medium level, right? Then crashing cost and crashing network is also kind of a very easy topic. Theory of games, some 4-5 techniques and 4-5 formulas, and goal programming. So what I will recommend that you first cover all this easy part. So whichever is applicable to you, try to cover this easy part first and you will build a confidence, right? And then move to this medium part, right? Okay, and try to cover this part. If you are looking for just getting pass, right, so these two sections will give you more than 60% of marks. Okay, and if you are really looking to score the OR, then you can go for this difficult section. Now how to study for this, right? Okay, so how to study for this difficult section? So the mantra is practice. Practice and practice is the mantra for the Operation Research. So solve the numericals. Unless and until you solve the numericals, you will not get a good hands-on practice, because OR is like a swimming. If you just look from the bank, okay, you will not get the things. You have to enter in the water, right, so that you will get maximum out of that. So practice is the most important mantra as far as the OR is concerned. Now the simple way to study this Operation Research is to follow this channel. So I have almost all topics covered in this channel, and in most simple way. So I will recommend that you subscribe this channel and start watching the videos and also start solving the problems. The one very important thing in this channel is the reflection spot. So whenever reflection spot is given, stop the video and try to give the answer. That will help you to build the concept. So make a practice, watch these videos, have a lot of practice and score in operation research. Thank you.